Moving files in Google Docs can get a little confusing. Let's take a look at it together. If we want to move this important document into the Important Documents folder, we can just click and drag. If we open this document and decide we want to move it from here, we can click the little folder icon up at the top. Here, we can navigate through our Google Drive folders and choose exactly where we want to place it. We see it's not in our Important Documents folder anymore, but when we go to the Finished Projects folder, there it is, just where we placed it. You can also move documents by right-clicking them and choosing the Move To option. I'm going to keep organizing my Google Drive so we can keep conquering the world.